So if you're like me and you've been making a lot of videos on screencastify, you may have noticed that often there is a lag in sound so that the sound does not match the movement of your lips. And I've tried lots and lots of different ways of solving this issue, really feeling like I was going to pull my hair out. What I ended up finding that works, I'm going to share with you now. It's called VSDC Video Editor. It was very inexpensive. You'll start with a free version, but you'll find you can't actually export it with the sound fixed unless you pay. So I think it was maybe $20 for the year, or maybe $20 period for always. But at any rate, it's pretty affordable to finally fix this issue once and for all before I load the videos up to YouTube. So how I do this is I open up VSDC and I go to new project. And then I'm going to add the video that has the sound issue. So I go to video that I need to fix the sound on. So you'll see the video has been added down here. It's highlighted in blue. And the first thing I need to do to fix the sound is to split the video and the audio. So I click on this button, and you will now see here's the audio and here's the video. And I can click on them, and I get different menus. So what I'm going to be adjusting is the object creation time. Basically, you want one object, either the sound to be created after the video or the video to be created after the sound, but it's fractions of a second in order to fix it. And you just kind of have to listen to it and play with it to fix it. So I'm going to just model that process. So here is the sound unfixed.
So I wanted to briefly go over with you how to make a data table within a Google Doc.
Okay, so you can see that the movement of my lips does not at all match the sound. So my next step is I'm going to click on the video and I'm going to adjust the time frame. So basically I'm going to have the object creating, so basically have the video start 0.06 seconds late. And then I'm going to listen to that same part again and see if it looks better or not.
So I wanted to briefly go over with you how to make a data table within.
It looks better, but it's still not perfect. So I'm going to now increase it. Let's try increasing it by 4 frames or 0.133 seconds. All right, we'll go back to the beginning and listen again.
So I wanted to briefly go over with you how to make a data table within a Google Doc. So wherever you want to put.
So I'm going to just try it in a different part of the video and make sure it sounds okay there too.
You'll notice the unit has grams in it. So I would need to find the mass of the water.
Still looks good. Looks like it's still matching. I'm going to try another place in the video.
So blank on blank. Where the blanks are the independent and dependent variable.
Okay, it looks like it matches. So now I need to export. So I'm going to go to export project. So I like to change my video to be exported as an NMOV file. And I like to export it to my hard drive because they take up so much space. So I'm going to just change it to be how to make a data table on Google Docs. Okay. And it's a .mov file, and so I should have no problem loading that to YouTube later. And now that I have my output file picked, I have the conversion picked, I just can go ahead and export the project. And this takes several minutes, but once it's exported, then the sound will be all fixed and it'll be ready to be loaded to YouTube. I hope this helps. See you later.